A very warm welcome to all. In our last online class, we have discussed about syllabus of IT and its marking scheme. Also, I assigned you some home activity to do. Hope you all did it very honestly. Today we are going to start our first unit, that is web application. Before starting it, I would like to say that kindly take written notes for all the classes we are sharing. So let's get started. Since the evolution of human, computer has come a long way. From the very primary classes, you have been taught that computer is an electronic device which is used for calculations, manipulations, to do some arithmetic and logical operations with the help of human interaction. Or in other terms, we can say that computer is a machine which manipulates data according to a list of instruction given, which makes it an ideal example of data processing system. So data is a key for the processing. Basically, working of computer is based on the three terms: input, process, and output. So there are many input devices to give some instructions to the computer, and some processing takes place with the help of CPU, and we will get the desired output with the help of output devices. So शायद मुझे ये डिटेल्स में पढ़ाने की ज़रूरत नहीं क्योंकि you all are very familiar with these terms. Computer has changed our way of working in every field, such as medical, education, science or business. So the very best example is अभी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है फिर भी आप नया सेशन स्टार्ट कर चुके हैं. So with the contribution of this hardware, software and networking, we are able to conduct the classes of this new session. और अगर आज की डेट पे हम देखें तो मीडिया ऑनलाइन बहुत सारे ऐसे साइट्स हैं जो वर्किंग में है बट सिंपली सिटिंग एट होम. सो ये पॉसिबल कैसे हुआ? पॉसिबल हुआ ओनली विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम्स एंड टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड ऑन कंप्यूटिंग. So the conclusion is that computer system and information technology plays a very important role in our lives today. So let us move to the very first topic of this chapter, that is working with accessibility option. There are many people in this world who are suffering from some physical disorders such as visual impairment. Visual impairment means inability to see, color blindness, cataract, etc. Or in other terms, we can say disability related to vision. And there are also people who are suffering from hearing impairment, that is total or partial deafness. And there are also people who are suffering from speech impairment, disability in speech, or maybe physical impairment, that is difficulty in moving legs or hands, or we can say the loss of any organ. Learning disability is also one of the major problem, that means difficulty in understanding or reading. So for such individuals, some assistive technology is required in order to access the computer. So that means ऐसे लोग जिनको किसी ना किसी तरीके से कुछ फिज़िकल डिसऑर्डर्स हैं तो उन्हें कैसे हम एक्सेस करा सकें कंप्यूटर सिस्टम ताकि वो कंफर्टेबली कंप्यूटर सिस्टम यूज़ कर सकें. So there are some options available in Windows for the same. So let us learn how to activate or launch these accessibility option in Windows operating system. So the very first method is from the control panel. Click the start button, select control panel, click ease of access option. Once you click the ease of access option, a screen will appear showing various options to use the accessibility feature. So you can see on your screen ease of access option is there, and you can click, the dialog box will appear and you can change the settings. Second method, from the start menu. So click on the start button, select all programs and then accessories. Again select ease of access option. A dialog box will appear in which you can customize the settings. So again you can see on the screen the ease button, ease of access option is there, and you can change the settings according to the required. Now third method, from the login screen, click on the ease of access button available on the bottom left corner of the login screen. So जैसे ही आप login screen खोलते हैं तो उसके bottom left corner में एक icon आपको मिलेगा, किसका आइकन, दैट इज ईज ऑफ एक्सेस ऑप्शन का आइकन, एंड यू कैन क्लिक ऑन इट एंड यूज द सेटिंग्स. Fourth method, from the keyboard. So it is a shortcut method. Press the window logo key plus U simultaneously and launch the accessibility options available. So it's a shortcut method with the help of keyboard. Windows 7 provides some new features to overcome the disability. Windows 7 के भी कुछ new features हैं other than this जो हम already discuss कर चुके हैं, and these are, as you can see on your screen, there are some options given: start magnifier, start narrator, start on screen keyboard, setup high contrast. So let us discuss each one of them one by one. Start magnifier. This utility opens up a magnifier which allows you to see large font. Large font means जो भी स्क्रीन के अंदर जो भी टेक्स्ट होंगे वो larger size में आएंगे, so that any person suffering from any vision problem can see it. Second, start narrator. This utility reads what is written on the screen. So it is something related to audio. So जो भी आपके स्क्रीन पे लिखा है, you can hear that. Third, start on screen keyboard. This utility opens up a virtual keyboard on the screen. Right? So the person suffering from any physical disorder can use the virtual keyboard given on the screen. So next is your setup high contrast. It increases the contrast in colors to reduce eye strain by making things easier to read. So it is something which adjusts the contrast between the colors which is shown in the screen. Other than these all, there are some more options such as making the computer easier to use, make the mouse easier to use, make the keyboard easier to use, or use text or visual alternatives for sound. So we have done with our first topic. Now the next topic is networking fundamentals. The very first question arises that what exactly a computer network is. A computer network is an interconnected group of independent computers or devices where all the computers on a network can share resources among each other. So the very good example is the number of computers connected to a single printer. दैट मीन्स अगर कोई भी मल्टीपल्स कंप्यूटर्स है उसे अगर हम एक ही प्रिंटर से कनेक्ट करते हैं तो जो भी इंडिविजुअल कंप्यूटर्स है वो एक प्रिंटर को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, विच सेज द रिसोर्स शेयरिंग. कनेक्शन मे बी वायर्ड और वायरलेस. These multiple computers, if they are connected to each other, they can form a network. as I already told you that the connection between multiple system is only possible when they are connected to each other with the help of any medium. So the medium may be a physical medium or a wireless communication or wireless medium. Next, internet. Internet is invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. Internet is a worldwide collection of publicly accessible interconnected computers. As we know that information sharing and communication are the two major utilities of computer network. Services such as email, online chatting, file transfer, and most important, using resources of World Wide Web are the common facilities provided by the internet. So how exactly it works? We know that internet is actually a network of networks. To explain this, you can see on the screen that all the computers are not directly connected to the internet, but individual computers or devices are connected to small network, and these small network are further connected to bigger network, and these big networks are connected to high speed internet backbones through special network device called as gateway. गेटवे एक ऐसा डिवाइस है जो कि कनेक्ट करने के लिए काम आता है इंटरनेट से. सो वी कैन डिफाइन गेटवे एज अ गेटवे इज स्पेशल नेटवर्क डिवाइस यूज टू कनेक्ट डिसिमिलर या डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ नेटवर्क टुगेदर. The computer on dissimilar network communicate on internet using common language or set of rules called as protocol. So hope you understand the concept that internet is the collection of small network together and which is connected to a very high level connection, and that is through a device called as gateway. Other than gateway, there are some many more devices like router, रिपीटर, जो कि नेटवर्क डिवाइसेस में हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पर पढ़ेंगे.